Today in this video, I'm showing you how to apply cluster lashes at home, step by step, beginner friendly and long lasting. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zoga Jones and I share makeup, beauty and everyday routines and sometimes lifestyle vlogs. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. First off, cluster lashes are small sections of lashes that give you that custom wispy or full look depending on how you place them and the length. You need, of course, the cluster lashes, the glue and the lash brush and also the tweezers. You also need a mirror. It would be better if you have angled mirror, and I use this clean sponge just to clean my eyes because you do not want any dirt or any oils on it. Firstly, you need to brush your natural lashes with glue and not too much product. You just need enough to keep the hairs in place. When taking lashes from the tray, you do not want to pull from the strands directly. You will have to pull it from the band, otherwise they would separate. But you also want to hold it from the hairs when applying the glue. Do not put too much glue, otherwise they'll look scruffy and not stay longer. You just need enough product to make the lashes stay. And if there's any hairs or anything in the way, get it out before it causes irritation when you have your lashes on. And this is very important. Do not place your cluster lashes on top of your natural lashes. Put them under. Also, when you put your lashes on the waterline, you get a reaction, so you have to avoid skin. After placing your cluster lashes, you want to press them into the natural lashes just to make them look natural. That's why I use mostly the back of my tweezer to do that. The outer corner must be longer than the inner corner, but how do you achieve that? That's where mapping comes in handy. So for a wispy look, you want to make your lashes like this: short, medium and then long. And then for a full glam look, you need medium, long, and then long. For everyday natural lashes, you need all short and then medium, nothing too long. This is where you customize your lashes. Because I want to achieve a medium look, I firstly went in with 18 millimeters and now I'm going in with my 12 millimeters. This is because I ran out of my 14 millimeters, but I mostly use 18, 14, 12. But because I have big eyes, and in this instance, I used 3 18 millimeters and then 5 12 millimeters. By the way, do not worry about my skin because I'm in the process of treating it, so yeah, it's fine. Sound. After the mapping is done, you want to pinch the lashes together gently with your fingers just to further seal everything together. And you also want to avoid water for 24 hours. And the same thing I did to this side, I have to repeat it to that side, and voila! So my love, this is their final look. These are the lashes. Now that your lashes are done, you're done applying your cluster lashes, they look all natural. And now let's talk about the mistakes to avoid when applying cluster lashes. Number one, do not use too much glue, otherwise your lashes will not stay, they would lift. And number two, do not rush the process or you will get the glue in your eyes. If you are a beginner, do not make these mistakes. Number three, do not start from the inner corner, especially if you are a beginner. Start from the inner corner, it will help you to map your lashes and see, if especially if you want to do a cat eye, you see exactly how they should look. Number four, do not lift your lashes. When you want to remove them, use an oil-based lash remover. Do not lift your lashes. Do not pull your lashes. Number five, and the most important, do not place your lashes on top of your natural lashes. Place them under your natural lashes, on the waterline, just after the waterline. Do not also place them on the waterline, otherwise you get irritation. This is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, more beauty tutorials and tips, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. What are the challenges that you're facing when applying lashes, or even after you must have visited your lash tech? What are the challenges you are facing? So, and I'll go through the comments and see how best we can address them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.